Welcome back to the Microsoft Word Masterclass. In episode 2, we made our document look professional. Now let's make ourselves faster. In this lesson, you'll learn the keyboard shortcuts I use to save time while working in Word. You don't need to memorize all of them. Start with these everyday shortcuts, and you'll quickly notice the difference. Let's start with one of the most important shortcuts. Ctrl S saves your document. Use it regularly to protect your work. Made a mistake? Ctrl Z instantly undoes your last action. Changed your mind? Ctrl Y brings the action back. Ctrl A selects everything in your document. It's especially useful when you want to change the font or formatting for the entire document. Need to duplicate something? Select it. Press Ctrl C to copy. Now press Ctrl V to paste the copied content. If you want to move text instead of copying it, use Ctrl X to cut it, then Ctrl V to paste it somewhere else. To quickly make selected text bold, press Ctrl B. Ctrl I applies italics without reaching for the toolbar, and Ctrl U applies underline instantly. Working with a long document, Ctrl F opens Find, so you can instantly search for a word or phrase. And if you need to change one word throughout the document, Ctrl H opens Find and Replace. Want to quickly add a link? Select your text and press Ctrl K to open the hyperlink window. When you're ready to print, Ctrl P takes you directly to the print screen. And finally, Ctrl N creates a new Word document without manually going through the File menu. You don't have to memorize all 15 today. Start with these 5: Save, Undo, Copy, Paste, and Find. Once these become muscle memory, you'll work much faster in Word. Great job! You've now added some powerful shortcuts to your Microsoft Word toolkit. In the next episode, we'll learn how to create and format tables in Word quickly and professionally.